Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So this month is Autism Awareness Month, and I'm going to be making a couple of DIYs with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Remember that all the items that I'm using to create these crafts will be listed in the description box below. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all you oldies and goodies that have been with me all along, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I so appreciate you. Now remember to click that like button because that helps YouTube to notice me just a little bit more. Also comment below because I would love to hear from you. So now jumping into the video, at the Dollar Tree in the toy section, I picked up a box of these puzzle pieces, and I thought we'd color the back of them in different colors to represent the spectrum of autism. Remember that knowledge and education is always key when handling certain situations. So I'm going to see if I can link some resources down in the description box. Now I'm going to go ahead and color these puzzle pieces, and I'm going to leave you to music while I do that. So of course, while the paint was wet, I had to go ahead and sprinkle some iridescent glitter because we needed to have some kind of shine in this. Now, I'm not really sure exactly what happened here, but we had a shift with the sun and the weather. And of course, I rely mostly on natural lighting, but this is going to change momentarily. Okay, so now while the sun is doing what it's doing, we're going to go ahead and paint these fishbowl vases that I purchased from the Dollar Tree in blue, in a powder blue. I think it's apple barrel, and I purchased that at Walmart. While the paint is still wet, you want to go ahead and get whatever glitter you're going to use. Did I mention I was going to use glitter? I think so. Okay, while the paint is still wet, you want to get the glitter and you want to sprinkle that and pat it down as best as you can on that paint and let it all dry together. Remember that after you're done and you let that dry, you have to go back and seal that in with Mod Podge. Now you see the light is starting to change, so we're getting our lighting back. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. I hope you can see it better now. And again, I'm using the paint because sometimes the glitter you could see through it, and I really don't like that. I like to put a layer of paint and then a layer of glitter, and that helps a lot. Now here, what I'm doing is all of the puzzle pieces are all dry. Remember, we painted those and then we added some iridescent glitter. Now we're going to take them and kind of line them up in multicolor, and we're going to use the skewer to keep those together. You'll see what I mean. Okay, now we are done with the puzzle pieces, and I think they came out so cute. So now here we're working with these two glass items that I purchased from the thrift store, and I think I only paid like 49 cents each. These are going to be the stand for the fishbowl vases. Now what I'm doing here is I am applying a layer of Mod Podge inside of the glasses. And then we're going to pour the iridescent glitter inside and roll it around until we get the coverage we want. Then pour the excess back into the container. Now this process we're repeating for both glasses. Now here I went and I got my little bag of bling. I keep all of my little bling pieces inside of this Ziploc bag. And so I cut some of those pieces, and we're going to be decorating the stem of that glass to embellish, and that's what I'm doing here. So this is what it's looking like so far, and you can see the iridescent, and once the Mod Podge is dry, you would be able to see that even more. It looks absolutely beautiful. Now we have to let that dry. Okay, so here I am going to be using an adhesive and some hot glue in order to glue these pieces together. So I am using the Beacon 527 glue. You can use whatever adhesive you'd like. Just remember that you need to be in a well-ventilated area and allow 24 to 48 hours for that adhesive to dry so you don't have any accidents. Okay guys, these vases are done. Let's head on over to the reveal. I think the vases and the puzzle pieces, everything came out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you agree. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to look in the description box for the resources and the links that I'll have for you down below.